Today we have to secure all of our components. It may be our bike, it may be our smartphone, or maybe our locker. And now I am going to introduce to my YouTuber friends about a simple lock which enable you to secure your bikes and tie your bikes in a locked system anywhere and everywhere. Let's start. It is from Amazon and I am going to open the packet. You can see this is, and I have said you already that here is a lock, so the packet is quite crinkly here, and I am going to open the packet. I am cutting with my pair of scissors. Yes, I am cutting it. I am cutting as quick as possible, and here is the lock. It is the wire lock, and the keys are provided here. Yes, one key and one extra key, and it is string here. You can see it. All is here. I have shown already you. The keys are here, and see it. I am it now. That's quite strong and like the crane wire. Yes, if it like crane wire, it is strong, very strong, and I am cutting it to open properly, and I have cut it already. This is the, and here I am going to open it through the key. Yes, I am inserting the key to open it. Yes, good. It is good, and here like this. This is the hole, and the hole is inserted here, and this works out like this, and I am closing it like this. And how to use it? That I'll show you. And see, this is my bicycle, and I am going to apply this on the cycle. I am bending the cycle with it. I am bending it, yes, like this, and you can insert in trees or like this here. You can bend it with trees and like this, and here bye bye, like